guys, let's make some breakfast. I'm gonna make some banana bread. I have my little recipe right here. Okay, now I'm gonna add my eggs. Okay, I'm gonna add my 1 cup of brown sugar, and then I'm gonna mix in the butter because it's hot, and I'm gonna mix all this for about 2 minutes. A little bit of vanilla, like that much. 1 cup, and then a 1/2 cup. A teaspoon of baking soda. I'm just gonna use my finger. Salt. Gorgeous. It smells divine. Add some Greek yogurt. Okay, and then we're gonna fold it in. That. This is what I get for trying to look hot and cook. I feel overstimulated. I'm gonna grease it with some olive oil. Okay, so I think I'm going to add a few pumpkin seeds on here. Okay guys, so now we're gonna put them in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. I usually check the muffins after about 35 minutes and I poke them with a fork to see if the fork comes out clean or not. 45 minutes to an hour for the loaf. In the meantime though, I'm actually ravenous right now, so bread, Swiss cheese. Okay guys, I made my coffee off camera. I forgot to film. My egg. I like Tabasco spread out on my sandwich, and I like Valentina, but like I like to just put it on every bite, you know what I mean? Okay guys, it is done. I just had a muffin, it was so good. I actually did it on live, so just trust me and know that this is very delicious. Super delicious. I'm really proud of it. I like how the pumpkin seeds look. I'm gonna buy some blueberries next time I make this, and I'm just gonna make cute little flowers, and yeah.